Nandini ma'am, how do you know that I'm coming? Hello, hello, hello. Hello guys, hi. Good evening to one and all. So, hi Prashanti Garu. LCS. ఇంకో చూపి హాయ్ పాప ఒకసారి పైకి కమెంట్స్ లేదా ఇంకో ఫోన్ ఏదని ఇప్పుడు నాకు అసలు లక్ష్మీ మ్యామ్ ఐమ్ గుడ్ సో నౌ వీఆర్ గోనా స్టార్ట్ ద లైట్ వెయిట్ కాంజీపురం సారీస్ అండి హాయ్ సరదా గారు హ్యాపీ వీకెండ్ హాయ్ దీపిక ఓ ఓకే ఎఫ్బి నోటిఫికేషన్ వచ్చిందా ఓకే ఓకే శ్వేత హాయ్ ఐఎమ్ గుడ్ హాయ్ భువనేశ్వరి మ్యామ్ ఐఎమ్ గుడ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ నందన థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఎస్ జ్యువెలరీ ఐఎమ్ వెరీ బిగ్ ఫ్యాన్ శాలిని హాయ్ పాప beautiful neck piece yes ma'am I so love the jewelry actually thank you bharati garu saraswati garu hi suhasni ananta hi full hadavidi today because it's weekend no so many clients are there so we're going to start the beautiful lightweight pattu sarees what I'm wearing is also kanchipattu saree andi lightweight so Varalakshmi Vratham is on so Aarti hi so I'm just trying to read your comments Rishita ma'am hi ela unnaru Sanjana hi it's said Lalita I'm fine thank you so much so this weekend we are going to show you the beautiful lightweight pattu sarees hi Chinky Sri thank you so much guys Mala Jagdish Gaura garu hi so Varalakshmi Vratham is coming some festive vibes for you guys Swati hi Sam hi so what are you wearing for this Varalakshmi Vratham andi Shalini ma'am God's grace things are moving good Padma garu thank you Prem Kumar thank you Geeta, I'm just waiting for the audience to build Andy so that we can start the beautiful collection and this exclusive neck piece by Pawan Mo Jewelers Andy. It's a diamond choker and it looks really nice. Full sleeves gada, I look very epat laga antara. Okay. Lakshmi So this episode we are going to do the beautiful Kanjivaram Zandi. I'm wearing a beautiful orange color Kanjivaram sari with a purple color border. And the neck piece is by Pawan Mo Jewellers. It's a diamond neck piece and rubies also. And the earrings are made in kundans and diamonds if I'm not wrong. I'm wearing a light orange color andi. Sridevi ma'am, hi. New collection only ma'am. I'll be showing you one on one. I have a surprise for you. Hi. So Lakshmi is back for you guys.
Hi, how are you all?
So we're going to show you the beautiful Kanjivaram Zandi. This Varalakshmi you guys are going to celebrate with us. Bhuneshwari ma'am, we have lot of stock, so this week you don't miss to catch us on live. Lakshmi looks pretty, I know. మర్చిపోయింది లక్ష్మి బేసికలీ కోవిడ్లో బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేసింది ఇంట్లో ఉండి, అందుకేనా కెమెరా టచ్ పోయినట్టుంది. ప్రవళిక గారు హాయ్. సో వీ విల్ బి షోయింగ్ వన్ సారీ ఒక సారీ ఫస్ట్. పీపుల్ వాంట్ టు సీ వాట్ లక్ష్మి ఈస్ వేరింగ్. దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ లక్ష్మి ఈస్ వేరింగ్. We are gonna show you lot of good collection now. Hi Lucky.
Thank you.
గుర్తుందా నీకు అప్పుడు నేను లక్కీ అని పిలిచేవారు లక్ష్మి అంటే. ఆల్ దోస్ క్లయింట్స్.
Hi all.
సరస్వతి నూకల గారు హాయ్. రోహిణి గారు హాయ్. సో యా లక్ష్మి వేసుకున్న దాంట్లో ఇంకో కలర్ వీ హ్యావ్ వన్ మోర్ కలర్ అండి. లెట్ మీ షో యూ దట్ కలర్. వాట్ లక్ష్మి ఈస్ వేరింగ్ ఇస్ అ రాణి పింక్ అండ్ గ్రీన్. This is a purple. This is a purple with blue. Very beautiful color. We'll just show okokati and then we will open everything for you guys. Renuka ma'am, hi. Prasanna, hi. When you do shows, views are raising crazy anta. Papa. Of course, Antony. Ankama. No. This is a blue with green andi and this is a red with parrot green combination. అక్కడ ఎవరినైనా నిల్చొని తీసుకోమని చెప్ప. అది ఇచ్చేసేనా. This is bottle green with red and it looks really pretty. Hi Lakshmi garu.
Hi.
And then we have off-white BL. ఇది off-white BL నానా. ఇలా తలంబ్రాల సారీస్ కూడా మీరు కట్టుకోవచ్చు అండి బికాస్ ఇట్స్ అ వెడ్డింగ్ సీజన్ విచ్ ఇస్ స్టార్టింగ్. వీ థాట్ విల్ షో యూ. హాయ్ సిస్టర్స్, ఐఎమ్ శ్రీలంక నుంచి. హాయ్ మ్యామ్. షో దిస్ బ్లూ నానా. బ్లూ విత్ రెడ్. బ్లూ విత్ రెడ్డే కదా. ఆరెంజిష్ రెడ్ మ్యామ్ దట్ ఈస్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇట్స్ yellow with pink. వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ కాంబినేషన్. It's a yellow with pink andi. Rohini garu, thank you so much. And this is tissue with pink color.
With pink border.
Bottle green ga there. Light green eh.
Okay,
Light green.
border.
Sashi darling, you look gorgeous every time. But more with sleeveless. జనాలు నన్ను అంటున్నారు మేడం నేను ఎక్కువ స్లీవ్లెస్ వేస్తున్నాను, అందుకని వాళ్ళ స్లీవ్స్ వేసా. This is peach with grey andi. Very pretty pastel combination. Shobha ma'am, hi. So all these sarees what we are showing are 15 to 25 between ma'am. हम लोग अभी जो भी बता रहे हैं आपको 25 के अंदर है मैम ये सब साड़ीज. हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन किया. This is which color? This
Bottle green with pink border.
Correct. This is bottle green with pink border. Next. This is light peach color with brown. Ma'am, like this we have so many good collection for this Varalakshmi Vratam. Please get dressed up very smartly and do share us the pictures. And this is yellow with green. This is a beautiful combination, ma'am. No doubt. That's Lakshmi wore a dark pink and this is a light pink in that. Light pink with parrot green, right?
Parrot green border.
Priyadarshini ma'am, we are going to open everything for you. You guys can take a screenshot and immediately let us know. This is tissue sari andi, tissue with blue. Which tissue is this? Copperish tissue.
Copperish tissue with blue border.
Yes. This is copperish tissue. We are going to open that for you guys. This is
Silver and blue combination with blue border.
silver with blue, ma'am. Huh. Ma'am, lot of people are asking for Talambralu sarees, no? Hi, Deepika. Talambralu sarees ki offered with red or offered with pink. Anything you guys can team up. And we are doing the live from road number 2, Banjara Hills, the new showroom of Mugdha opposite to Birthplace. You came here first time, kada?
This is the first time.
You loved the
Showroom is
store?
like, I just loved it.
She just
like
loved it.
temple. Another Tirupati actually.
This is pastel color. Lot of Bangalore clients ask us. Pastel pink with big border. Next. Oh, I love this combination, ma'am. Yellow with green. Yellow with green. That's it. We'll open them now. Bottle green with red. You show that. So we'll start with yellow, Lakshmi.
Yeah.
Open. Nanam Antenga. Neither bill. So we are starting the live with this episode, Andy. I mean, like with this sari, and the live is happening from road number 2, Banjara Hills. And this exclusive jewelry is by Pavan Mo Jewelers, Andy. Come close. Now let me just show you the close-up of the jewelry. What I'm wearing. I'm wearing this diamonds and pachis and this exclusive statement neck piece by Pavan Mo Jewelers, Panjagutta. Thank you so much to all my clients. They are very happy with the response you guys are giving. And this is a beautiful neck piece. I so admire it. It's made in diamonds and rubies, Andy. And this bangle, it's also made in diamonds and rubies. Pavan Mo Jewelers, Panjagutta, Andy. Price, I don't know of the jewelry, ma'am. Now let me show you what Lakshmi is wearing. Come close. Yeah. So what Lakshmi is wearing is a traditional gold neck piece, ma'am, with pearls and beads. It's very traditional and nice. And look at the earrings. They look really nice. Temple jewelry antar kad, ma'am. Something like that. And it's very beautiful, ma'am. And the bangle is also traditional, Andy. And it's from Pavan Mo Jewelers, Andy. The one I'm wearing is 42,000, Andy. The one I'm wearing is 42,000. Lakshmi veskundi anta. What Lakshmi is wearing is 22,000, Andy. Nice sari and like neck piece, Lakshmi.
Thank you.
And this exclusive makeup is by
Sairaj makeup and he's from Mask.
Ikra. The look, chupichra, yeah. Lakshmi and my makeup look is by Sairaj Makeup, Andy. We're gonna mark them.
Yeah.
Brides, so you guys have to try for all your wedding needs. Mask makeup artist.
Mask.
And it's mask makeup artist, Andy. You can come. So we're going to tag the page, Andy. Please do check their entire look and everything. So now the entertainment of the day starts with beautiful saris. So we are doing the live from road number 2, Banjara Hills. You guys must visit us, and the jewelry is by Pavan More and the makeup is by Mask Makeup Artist, Andy. So what Lakshmi is wearing and what I'm wearing, so we'll show you now. This is what I'm wearing. Beautiful orange, light orange with a purple combination. This is the sari, total look. Else, chodu else. Orange, light orange with a purplish combination, Andy. And this is the border. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse. You guys can team up with an above elbow blouse, something like what I'm wearing. And Lakshmi. This is what Lakshmi is wearing, a Rani pink sari with a light green border. So, give me the phone so that we can show the entire collection of saris. So, ma'am, we're going to show you the collection now. మీడియం కలెక్షన్ అండి ఇదంతా 20 to 25 మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది. అండ్ జ్యువెలరీ వచ్చేసి పవన్ మో జ్యువెలర్స్ అండి. ఇట్లా సో యూ గైస్ కెన్ సీ వాట్ లక్ష్మి ఈజ్ వేరింగ్ ఆల్సో. ప్రిటీ సారీ ఇట్ ఈస్. వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీ అండ్ ద లుక్. It's a hot pink sari andi. So now we will start the collection. Lakshmi, let me show what Lakshmi is wearing once. It's a nice Rani pink sari with a light parrot green border. Lightweight pattu saris, all these saris are. And this is how the texture of the fabric is. Rani pink with green. So now we will be showing you the saris collection. Chupichna, bottle green with pink. Please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889. This is a nice bottle green with a pink color combination. This is how the border looks. Bottle green with a Rani pink combination andi. Pallu. This is how the pallu is, and that's the blouse andi. All these are lightweight pattu saris. The price of the sari is 22,000. Online price is 22,000. The sari has silver checks. Let's show the other sari. This is a yellow color combination andi. This is a yellow sari. Yellow with bottle green. That's not live. I'm just checking the quality. This is he's just pushing it back into the yellow with bottle green andi. Kavya ma'am, hi, how are you? Lavanya, hi. Ashadam sale we don't have, ma'am. This is yellow with green andi. Yellow with a bottle green combination. The price of this sari is 19,000 only andi. 19,000 rupees. Next. This is a blue with red andi. Blue color sari with a red color border. This is the pallu. This is how it is. Next one, please. This is exactly the one Lakshmi is wearing in a purple and green combination. This is 22,000. Purple and green, it's 22,000. Very nice combination it is. And this is how the pallu is only. It's a nice purple and green color combination. 22,000 rupees and it is. Next, 19 ka alag rakh lo, 22 ka alag rakh lo. Wow, this is a light cream color sari with a brown color border. Cream or peach?
Creamish peach.
This is a light creamish peach color sari andi with a brown color border. This is how it is. Pallu. This is how the pallu is andi, and the blouse. The sari is very nice actually with the color. Kavya ma'am, which Lakshmi is wearing is 22 and the one I am wearing, I'll just check ma'am. 44 or 38?
44.
Okay, check and let us know. Next one, please. This is bottle green, Andy. Bottle green with red. It's a very pretty combination. Bottle green with red color. Bottle green with red color combination, red pallu and red blouse. It's a very pretty sari. 19,000 only, Andy. 19,000. Next. Wow, this is a very elegant color combination. Light peach with a grey color. Light peach with grey. Very smart color this is. Light peach color with a grey color border. Next. Please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889. Next. Light pink with green. Lakshmi, you sit now. Sit and do. Ha. This is light pink and green, Andy. Very beautiful sari this is. ₹19,000 it is. 19,000. Next. This is yellow with blue, Andy. This is yellow and blue. Show the pallu, Nana. This is a blue pallu. ₹19,000. कितना हो बेटा? Count 20. The last two sarees of the episode. It's a light green with pink. Last one anga din face ela vellipotundo. This is light green with pink and pink border. So please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889, Andy. Come. So you guys can let us know if you like something. We would love to assist you, Andy. So the festive season is starting now. ఎక్కడ రమ్మంటావు చెప్పు.
Road number 2 Banjara Hills, and you should definitely visit the store. It's like మీకు ఇంకో తిరుపతికి వెళ్ళని అవసరం లేదు యాక్చువల్లీ. ఫస్ట్ టైం నేను ఈరోజు వచ్చాను and it's just amazing. You have to visit.
So this is a new store what she's talking about, Andy. Please do visit whenever you have time. Shashi ma'am, please open one store in US also. So many. Definitely, ma'am. Definitely soon. నువ్వు అక్కడికి వచ్చి లైవ్
All
చేయాలి.
your blessings తొందరగా ఓపెన్ చేసేస్తారు మ్యామ్.
అక్క cream and brown color saree. Get that saree once. చూపించిన ఇదేనా? ఎంతది? నేను బజాయితేనా? క్రీమ్ అండ్ బ్రౌన్ నాన్న. This is cream and brown. Somebody was asking for this. So एक बार अपन जो बताया एक बार नीचे लेगो बेटा. So jewelry is by Pavanmo Jewelers only. Next we are gonna come with a fancy sari collection soon. The next episode is gonna be on the fancy saris. People who want to see what we both are wearing, turn Nana ఒకసారి. this is what we are wearing only, light orange color and purple color combination. And what Lakshmi is wearing is pink and green. And please take a screenshot and send it on. Please take a screenshot and send it to us, Andy. Please show some, Shashi Garu, show some rich Banarasi sarees. Ma'am, ఈ వీక్ అంతా మీకు ఇంకా వరలక్ష్మి వ్రతం వరకు ఫుల్ పండగే పండగ. యుల్ గెట్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ న్యూ కలెక్షన్. ఇప్పుడు మేము చూపించినవి కూడా మీకు అసెంబుల్ చేస్తున్నాము చూపించడానికి. మరూన్ కలర్ ప్లీజ్ అండి. ఓకే మ్యామ్, మరూన్ కలర్ చూపిస్తాం. Lakshmi, how is the saree? Lightweight or?
Amazing, as always.
So all these sarees are lightweight sarees అండి. కనకాంబరం కలర్ మ్యామ్, నేను వేసుకుంది కనకాంబరం కలర్. ఇది వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ వోన్ నౌ. ఇప్పుడు చూపించింది ఒకసారి చూపించున్నానా? అంతేనా? बताइए ఎవరి और नहीं दे दो. हाँ, సుజాత గారు హాయ్. నాగమణి గారు హాయ్. Ma'am, this is another light color combination. I love this saree actually. It's a light blue with pink. Sariga చూపించానా? This is a light blue color saree and light blue with a rani pink border. I'm just reading your comments. Show the border and everything, Nana. It's a light blue with a rani pink combination
Diamond checks in big.
with copper zari on that. Next one please. 22 it is. Next one. It's a light peach with a lavender color combination only. What you guys are seeing now. Show the border and everything. It's a light peach color and a light purple color border only. Ma'am, this is 19,000 ma'am, 19,000. Next. This is a green with silver. This is green with silver. Silver in the border. And saree మధ్యలో మొత్తం కాపర్ జరీ వచ్చిందండి. Show the bangles, I'll show you ma'am. Definitely. Archana ma'am, hi. So this is a silver pallu and the silver blouse. That's how it is, Andy. Simple sarees, 19,000 only. That is also, and this is also 19,000, ma'am. What you guys are seeing now. We do ship to Australia, ma'am. We do ship to Australia. Focus and walk. Ma'am, without lights, ఒకసారి color చూడండి. Red with green color combination. This is. Next. One more we have in yellow and pink. Yellow with Rani pink color border, Andy. The borders are almost equal borders on both the sides. 19,000 rupees and this also. Nana, selfie. Ma'am, I hope you guys will like the collection and everything. Nice color combo. Ma'am, all the sarees are very nice actually. Let me just once again, we are winding up the session now, so I'll just show you. ఒకసారి అది అట్లా ఇలా టర్న్ చేసి చూపించిన ఒకసారి ఆ షీట్లో. Could you please let me know if you have mom and daughter dresses? Ma'am, we designed them for you, ma'am. We will customize them. Shashi ma'am, మీరు వేర్ చేసిన సారీ కాస్ట్ మ్యామ్ నేను ఒక్కసారి చూసి చెప్తాను మ్యామ్. ఇది 44 or 38 or 39 ఒక్కసారి చూసి చెప్తాను. ఇంకెందుకు చూపిస్తున్నావే? ఒక్కసారి వైండప్ చేసేస్తాం మ్యామ్. ఒక్కొక్కటి బెటా నువ్వు రీల్స్ చేసేసుకోరా. Ask him to take the reels. This is the yellow and pink sari what we have shown you now. This is red and green what we have shown now only. Brocade sari, red and green. This is cream with brown. This is bottle green with red. This is bottle green and red only. After sending the money, they send lehenga. అవునా మోనికా మ్యామ్, మీది మిస్ అయిందా? ఒక్కసారి నాకు మీ నెంబర్ చెప్పండి మ్యామ్. మ్యామ్, విచ్ నెంబర్ యూ గైస్ ఆర్ ట్రైంగ్ టు రీచ్ ఒక్కసారి చెప్పండి. లక్ష్మి గారు, నేను ఇందాక చెప్పాను మ్యామ్ ప్రైజెస్. పీచ్ విత్ లిలాక్ 19 कौन सा है, 22 कौन सा है, सब 19 ఈచ్ है. 19,000లోనే ఉన్నాయి మ్యామ్. దిస్ ఇస్ బ్లూ విత్ గ్రీన్, beautiful color. This is light blue, sky blue lo light blue with a rani pink border. Beautiful color combination andi. This is jewelry is by Pavanmo Jewelers andi. Pavanmo Panjagutta. Come close ఒకసారి. Ma'am, the neck piece is so beautiful. Please ping them for this. It's a lovely neck piece. See, it's all made in diamonds. Saujanya ma'am, hi. And the earrings are beautiful. Excellent neck piece it is, and you guys can team up with the long haram also for something like this. The jewelry is by Pavanmo Jewelers, and a lot of people were asking the bangle. This is also from Pavanmo Jewelers, Panjagutta. 19,000 this episode sarees. Only 2-3 sarees are 22,000. This is yellow and blue, 19,000 only. Next, this is peach with grey, 19,000 rupees. Pratibha, it's 19,000. 22 AV. దీంట్లో కొన్ని ఒక 2-3 22 ఉన్నాయి మ్యామ్, నేను ఒకసారి చూడాలి. దిస్ ఇస్ బ్లూ విత్ గ్రే అండి. Sujata ma'am, yes, for Varalakshmi Vratham we are doing ma'am, because a lot of clients want us to stitch the blouses and everything. This is yellow with green andi. Lovely sari this is. Next, this is pastel pink. I think this is around 22 ma'am. I'll just check. Monica Kota ma'am, let me check it out. Aishu ఒకసారి చూడు. ఇక్కడ ఏం పెట్టుకుంటారు మేడం. Ma'am, this is baby pink with the green. This is blue with red. This is also beautiful color combination, ma'am. This is yellow with green andi. Yellow with green. Please show the cream and brown color saree. చూపించానుగా ఇప్పుడే. This is a lovely green color with a pink. Sarata ma'am, which green and pink? This green and pink ma'am. Are you talking about this green and pink? Beautiful color combination ma'am. This is want to take screenshot. అదేదో చూడండి రా ఒకసారి క్రీమ్ విత్ బ్రౌన్ అంటున్నారు మేడం గారు. ఐ థింక్ ఇదేనా మ్యామ్? ఇస్ దిస్ ద వన్ యూర్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ క్రీమ్ విత్ బ్రౌన్? So people, this is what I'm wearing and a light peach color with a purple color border like this. Lata Pasumarthi. Lata ma'am, hi. Your sarees are unique, Shashi. Love your collection. Lakshmi ma'am, thank you. So ma'am, next fancy sarees episode though we will be able to come. Ma'am, maroon color andi. Maroon color lo em unnai? We have anything in maroon? Ma'am, please take a screenshot and send it to us, ma'am. Pink with peacock design border. Bottle green ki pink color border వచ్చి peacock design వచ్చిందంట. I don't know. I think this one. I don't know. Ma'am, నేను ఒకసారి ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను చూడండి. Awesome. Is this sari by any chance, ma'am? Bottle green with red it is. Ma'am, all the sarees are 19,000 in this episode. Only 2 or 3 are 22,000. So please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889. We will love to assist you, ma'am. So we will be signing off now and we'll catch up for the next episode, ma'am. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.